Do you want to protecting PDF files without Acrobat Reader? Protect PDF file through user and owner password. Protecting through printing restrictions. This file cannot be copied or edited. Your PDF file has had security and other restrictions added. Download and install BitRecover Lock PDF Wizard. As you can see, the software interface is clear and intuitive. Now, go to Select tab and select PDF file from saved location. Now, you can see the number of PDF files selected for the task. Now, click on the Save As button and make a folder for saving the resultant file, and then click on OK button. Then, click on Set Password checkbox and create a PDF file password. Click on Disable Print to restrict the printing option. After that, click on Disable Content Copy to disable the copied or edited option. Click on Lock PDF to lock the PDF file with some security restrictions. The PDF file lock conversion was completed successfully. Now see your locked PDF file. If you want to open it, then enter the password to unlock the file. After unlocking the PDF file, you can see that there are some restrictions on this PDF file. The file cannot be printed, copied, or edited.